I want to show you where is located the brake fluid reservoir on your Nissan Sentra. So you will go like this. This is the engine, and right over here, this is the reservoir. Unscrew the cap. You're gonna have a small filter that you can keep or remove. The liquid should go through it. And over here you have a max line to never overfill it. Okay, never go above the max line. And you also have a minimum line down below. It's hard to see, but it says minimum. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get this fluid from there. It's usually cheaper than to go to the dealer. And at the end, make sure everything is tight and you are good to go. If you like my video where I go straight to the point, please subscribe, but also like and comment. See you in the next video.